In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for project management. Whether you're managing a team or working on personal projects, Monday.com is a versatile platform that can help streamline your tasks and enhance productivity. Let's get started by logging into your account at Monday.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. The first step is to create a new board. Click on the plus new board button. This is where all the magic happens. Give your board a name that accurately reflects the project or the group you're working with. A clear, descriptive title can make it easier to navigate your boards, especially as you create more and more. The next thing you'll want to do is choose whether to use a template or start from scratch. Monday.com offers a variety of templates that are tailored to different types of projects and workflows. If you find one that suits your needs, go ahead and use it. However, if you prefer to customize every detail, starting from scratch allows you to design your board exactly as you see fit. Once your board is set up, it's time to add tasks. These are the individual items you and your team will work on. Think of tasks as actionable steps that need to be completed. You can add as many tasks as you need and assign each one to a specific person or team member. After you've added your tasks, it's important to organize them. You can group tasks by categories, prioritize them, or sort them based on deadlines. Effective organization can help maintain focus and ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding what needs to be done. Now, to keep track of your project's progress, switch views on your board. Monday.com offers multiple views like Kanban, Gantt, and Calendar, each providing a different perspective on your project. Switching views helps you monitor timelines, see the workload distribution, and understand where things stand at a glance. To stay on top of everything, make it a habit to regularly check status updates. This practice is crucial for keeping communication open and ensuring that everyone involved is aware of progress and any potential issues that may arise. Finally, if you notice any tasks falling behind or if priorities shift, you may need to reassign tasks or adjust deadlines. Flexibility is key in project management. Adapting to changes promptly ensures that the project continues on track and goals are met efficiently. And there you have it. You now know the basics of using Monday.com for project management. With practice, you'll find ways to further customize and optimize your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.